Understanding the difference between these two tables is the aha moment for most researchers. Imagine we are modeling the effect of income, X, on consumption, Y. 1. The short-run coefficients, the noisy table. This table shows how the variables react to immediate shocks. In an ARDL model, these are usually denoted with a delta, representing the first difference. Variable, coefficient, STD, error, T statistic, prob, delta Y underscore T1, 0.250, 0.080, 3.125, 0.002, delta 10 underscore T 0.400, 0.050, 8.000, 0.000, 8 minus 0.300, 0.060, minus 5.000, 0.000. Interpretation: delta 10 underscore T equals 0.400. This is the short-run multiplier. If income increases by $1 today, consumption immediately jumps by 40 cents in the same period. Text 8 equals minus 0.300. This is the speed of adjustment. It is negative and significant. It tells us that 30% of the deviation from the long-run equilibrium is corrected in each period. It takes roughly 3.33 periods, 1 over 0.30, to return to the steady state. 2. The long-run coefficients, the steady state table. This table shows where the relationship settles after all the short-term noise and lags have cleared out. Variable, coefficient, STD, error, T statistic, prob, X, 0.850, 0.120, 7.083, 0.000, constant 1.200, 0.400, 3.000, 0.004. Interpretation: X equals 0.850. This is the long-run multiplier. While the immediate impact of $1 of income was only 40 cents, from the table above, the total ultimate impact over time is 85 cents. Econometrically, this is calculated as the sum of all X lags divided by 1 text sum of Y text lags. 3. Visualizing the difference. If you were to graph this, the short-run coefficient represents the spike in the graph, while the long-run coefficient represents the new plateau the graph reaches after the spike settles. Summary checklist for a valid ARDL model. Bounds test. F statistic must be higher than the I1 upper bound. 8. Must be negative, significant, and between 0 and -1, usually. Diagnostics. Residuals should be white noise, no serial correlation, and the Kusum plot should be stable.